Part 2, the vapor lawnmower. Okay, this is what we've done. We have done a manifold, as you can see right here. Oops, messing up this whole thing. Manifold coming out. We got a breather pipe right here. We have a pipe going into the top of the cap, the gas tank. And we've taken off the fuel line that goes to the cob right here. Taking that off so it proves that no gas is getting into the cob. This is now the breather, bubbles of gas. The vapors bubble up, they come through here, get sucked through here. Add a little bit of air, adds, she runs. Let's give it a go. I have to hold this. There you go, part 2 of the vapor lawnmower.